And here we are in the stream, in the beautiful woods in Trull. Oh, and there's the kids going crazy in the river. Oh, no! Oh, wicked. There she goes. Did you enjoy that dip?
Yeah.
And there's little Ting Tong. Hello, Ting Tong. And there's little Ralphie dog. Ralphie dog. Ralphie.
So fun.
Ralphie dog.
I already found one.
Go on then.
That gave me a little bit of shock. I think, no, I don't.
Off they go, running through the river. It's a very nice day. It's not very sunny, but it's nice.
See it coming?
Yeah. And it's warm, but it's not boiling. There's the bridge. Through the trees. That little bridge is where you walk across. And then you end up on that field. Up there, through that hole, there's a big field. And it's quite nice. If you go in the river. Let's go in the river. In our walking shoes. And then down there is the waterfall, which is where we've been already and took some pictures. So it comes down there through the trees and then round here. Ralph's having a good old paddle and he's rather enjoying himself, and Mummy's having a paddle.
Tiny cute little one.
It is quite cool. Don't wet me.
I'm not wetting you, it's me now. Mum.
And then it goes all the way down there. So the kids are having fun. So this is our day out for a couple of hours. We're having a nice time so far. So we'll catch you all later. Thanks for watching. Bye.